Hi, I'm attorney Michael Boyle from citizenshipyes.com, and I want to talk to you a minute about eligibility for citizenship. There are some obvious basic requirements that you probably know already. We're going to discuss those. And then in videos on the following pages of our website, we're going to really get into the detail and try and make sure that you understand the more complex rules that underlie the basic requirements. So let's go ahead with some of the basics. You've got to be at least 18 years old. You've got to have been a permanent resident for at least 5 years or 3 years in the case of someone who is married to and has been living with a U.S. citizen husband or wife during those 3 years. You've got to have spent at least half of the 3 or 5 year period here in the United States. There are limits on how long you can have traveled, and we're going to talk about those. And finally, you've got to be a person of good moral character. And that's a very tricky term. And we're going to spend a lot of time talking about that, the pitfalls you can get involved in, things that you might never have thought would lead the government to reject you or to put you in deportation can in fact be a big problem. So again, if you want to go ahead, make sure you're at least 18, make sure you read, speak, and write English, make sure you're able to pass a little civics exam where you get at least 6 out of 10 questions right, be a person of good moral character, and have been here as a permanent resident for 5 years in most cases, 3 years if you're married to and living with a U.S. citizen husband or wife. Please look at the pages, read the material, and check out the videos to understand the depth of these requirements, to avoid getting yourself into trouble, to be ready for your interview, and that you're truly qualified for citizenship. Okay, thanks very much. This is Michael Boyle from citizenshipyes.com.